Asante.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, madam.
Today we are studying a very important topic, that is parts of speech. Discuss the categories and types together with the learners. Parts of speech plays a vital role in learning grammar because fixing grammatical problems in writing is extremely difficult without knowing the 8 parts of speech. Grammatical problems such as subject-verb disagreement, run-on sentences, sentence fragment, and comma all require knowledge of certain parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Sharon, can you mention the 8 parts of speech?
They include nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections.
Very good, Sharon. Sandra, what are nouns?
A noun is a naming word.
Mention the types of nouns that we have.
They are common nouns, proper nouns, count nouns, non-count nouns, concrete nouns, and abstract nouns.
Very good, Sandra. Can you use one type of noun in a sentence?
Example of a noun in a proper noun is Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya.
Very good, Sandra. Abigail, what are pronouns?
A pronoun is a word used in place of noun.
Very good, Abigail. Can you mention the types of pronouns that we have?
We have personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns.
Use one type of pronoun in a sentence.
I blame myself for the accident. Myself is a reflexive pronoun.
Wonderful, Abigail. Karen, what are verbs?
A verb is a doing word used to express an action in a sentence.
Mention the types of verbs that we have.
We have 3 types of verbs, including phrasal verb, auxiliary verbs, and straight verbs.
Can you use one type of verb in a sentence?
Example is she went home. Went is a phrasal verb because it indicates action.
Wonderful, Karen. Yashmin, what are adjectives?
Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun.
Mention the types of adjectives that we have.
Attributive, predicatives.
Use one type of adjective in a sentence.
There are 8 big blue balls.
Very good, Yashmin. Redemptor, what are adverbs?
Adverbs are words that describe more about a verb.
Mention the types of adverbs that we have.
There are 5 types of adverbs, namely adverb of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree.
Very good, Redemptor. Use one type of adverb in a sentence.
Mary is extremely happy with her sister's decision. Adverb of degree is extremely because it shows the extent of something.
Wonderful, Redemptor. Delvin, what are prepositions?
Preposition is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stand in relation to something else.
Mention the type of preposition that we have.
There are 3 types of preposition. These are preposition of time, preposition of direction, and preposition of place.
Use one type of preposition in a sentence.
They were leaving at bus station around 11 o'clock. At and around are preposition of time.
Very good, Delvin. Daria, what are conjunctions?
Conjunction are joining words used in joining sentences, and examples are and, or, and but.
Mention the types of conjunction that we have.
Coordinative conjunction, correlative conjunction, and subordinating conjunction.
Use one type of conjunction in a sentence.
John likes me and I like John. And there is a coordinating conjunction.
Wonderful, Daria. Blessing, what are interjections?
Interjection, a word which expresses some sudden feelings.
Use one example of interjection in a sentence.
Oops, The milk has spilled. Oops, there is an interjection.
Very good, Blessing. Class, have you understood the types of the parts of speech that we have? Yes. We have 8 types.
But if you close your eyes